Chapter 10. Gujarat to Mumbai. Let us enjoy a story on travel within India. Rahul Verma's school has closed down for the summer vacation. He is very excited. He is traveling to Mumbai with his parents. They will fly to Bangkok from Mumbai. Rahul is going to make a train journey and an aeroplane journey. I am going to write down everything. That will help me write my school report on my holiday trip when I return home, he thinks. The next morning, Rahul Verma and his parents lock the house and leave for the railway station. Have you kept the tickets? His father asked his mother. Yes, I have, he replies. They hire a taxi. Rahul Verma notes down the mileage in the taxi meter in his diary. When they get off, his father hands over 500 to the driver. Come, let's go, says father to Rahul Verma and his mother. Mother counts the luggage pieces and they call a porter. The porter is wearing a red shirt. He has a metal band with a number on his arm. The porter quickly picks up their luggage. Your train will arrive at platform No. 2, informs the porter. The Verma family walk behind the porter. The train has not arrived at the platform. Father goes and checks their names on the reservation chart. Chug, 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 the train slowly comes in. A large crowd of passengers heads towards the door of their coach. Stand back, says mother, let the others get in. We have reserved seats. We can get in later. Rahul boards the train with his father and mother. The porter puts their luggage under their berths. Father secures it with a chain and lock. They have 2 lower berths and a side lower berth. I'll take the side berth, says Rahul excitedly. All right, says mother checking her purse for tickets. The TT arrives. Rahul watches the TT checking their ticket and ticking their names in his sheet. Then he goes to other passengers. I am hungry, Ma, he says. What, already? At least, wait for the train to start, Rahul, says his mother. Rahul's mother has packed aloo puri for them. Rahul can't wait to eat it with mango pickle. The train will start in a few minutes. The train is a superfast train called Rajdhani Express. The tea seller enters the coach. Rahul's mother buys 2 cups of tea. He buys a magazine from another vendor in their coach. Chug, 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 the train slowly pulls out of the platform and gains speed. Mother opens the tiffin and makes a roll for Rahul and gives it to him in a paper plate. The other passengers also open their tiffins. His father says, we can order dinner from the train's pantry car. Rahul wants to go to the washroom. His mother gives him paper soap and shows him the way. The bathroom door is closed. Rahul waits. He wants to use the Western-style toilet and not the Indian one. On returning to his berth, Rahul sees that his mother is reading a magazine and father is checking some papers. Rahul sits down near the window of the side berth. He sees many things which pass by the train. There are cows and buffaloes in the fields and children waving at their train. After some time, Rahul gets bored, looking at things passing by the window of the train. He brings out his story book and starts reading. The story is about a girl, Stella, who is going to school for the first time. Here is her story. Rahul, our train will reach Surat shortly, says his father to him. Rahul finished his story and kept the book in the bag. Soon, the train starts to climb an inclined ramp. What's happening? Rahul asks his mother. Beta, Surat railway platform is on the first floor of the railway station. Really, says Rahul. The train stops at Surat for 10 minutes. Mother gets down and buys fruit from a vendor. Rahul's parents tell him that they will pass by 2 more stations before they enter Mumbai. Their train will arrive at Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus railway station. Chug chug chug, the train slowly enters the station. Vada pav, pohe, pohe, cut chai, cut chai. People are selling and buying food on the platform at Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. The platform is very crowded. Rahul sees many fisherwomen carrying fish. Rahul and his parents come out of the station and head for Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport at Andheri. On the way to the airport, Rahul sees the Arabian Sea and a beach. That is the Chowpatty beach, tells his mother. The taxi stops at a traffic light. Immediately some vendors come to sell their wares to them, shouting, Nariyal ka pani, samosa pav. Bombay Bhel. Father buys 2 cones of Bombay Bhel. Rahul loves its taste. The taxi enters into the airport. Rahul's fun has just begun. He has another journey to make.